Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Coursera courses for free. Okay, if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell icon and give this video a thumbs up. So this is the course itself and you can see how many people have enrolled for this course, and if you can take this course 10 hours a week, it's going to take you 2 months. So you can see that this is a very elaborate course, and this is the university that is offering us this course. So let's go down and see what you're going to learn. What you will learn is to write masterfully, to speak powerfully, to design elegantly, to present your ideas and your best self to the world. Okay, you're going to also gain business writing, writing presentation, and graphic design skills. Business writing alone has 12 hours. Graphic design has 29 hours, 20 hours for successful presentation. Effective communication capstone project is 13 hours. So this is a very elaborate course, but it is not free. The first thing you're going to look out for is, beside this enroll for free, you're going to see this financial aid. So whenever you see the box like this financial aid, just know that you can apply for this course to be given to you for free. And I've seen people who applied and then at the end of the day, they just got like 90% off or 70% off. But if you follow what I'm going to show you, you're going to get this course completely 100% free. You have to click on financial aid, then this is the original price of the course. Now we don't have that money to pay. Okay. So you're asking you which course would you like to apply aid to? So this means that you can apply aid individually for these courses. And the one I'm actually interested on is this successful. Okay, let's go for effective communication capstone project. So I'm just going to click on it and you go to next. Now you're going to go over to continue to application. Don't go to enroll. If you go to enroll, it means that you are telling them you have money to pay. Just go to continue. And the application can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. So you should start expecting their reply from 16 days upward. Okay. So let us click on continue to application. So, in the area of education, just going to click on this drop down box right here, and you can just choose college degree, which of course is there, and your annual income. Don't forget, we don't have money to pay, okay? So, you're going to reduce this to zero. Make sure you're typing in zero, okay? Which means annually you don't make nothing because you are jobless. So, that's why you're applying for financial aid. You can see $79. This is big money, man. That's big money, okay? So they want to know your employment status, and you are not employed. So you are unemployed. I mean, you're begging them you don't have money. So you have to just let them know that truly you don't have money. Now you're going to give them a reason why they should actually give you this course for free. So right here is the application that I sent out in May. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to go into my inbox, into my notepad, sorry, and copy what I have written. So when you are at the part of this video, you can screenshot what I wrote and use it like a template to create yours. So I'm just going to paste it here. So this is my reason for applying for aid. Take your time to screenshot this part of this video because you can use this as a template when you're about to apply for your own financial aid. You have to make sure that the words you're writing here is up to 150 words, okay? And the way for you to know the number of words that you have written, you can actually go to your Microsoft Word and type this word, because as you're typing in Microsoft Word, it's going to be telling you how many words that you've actually typed in. And when you're sure that it is up to 150 words, you just come over here and say what everything you've written here is actually accurate, okay? So when you're done, just go over to next. How much can you pay for your selected course? You don't have money. We don't have a dime. We don't have anything. So we're going to change this to zero. We don't have nothing. Like, we are struggling. We don't have money. Okay. So you're going to change that to zero. And when you change that to zero, you see that it just goes to the beginning, okay, which is zero USD. We don't have money for that, okay? Now, they're asking you, how will your selected course help with your goal? I'm going to go into my notepad and copy what I had already written out. I'm also going to advise you to screenshot this part of this video and use it as your template, okay? Then you come over here, say, I'm sharing accurate information on my application. Yes. I'm committed to finishing my Coursera course. Yes. Okay. Now, please type the following sentence. Um, I agree. Okay. And then come over here and tick that you are not a robot. All right. And review. And you're going to wait for them to actually review it. Okay. So what you're going to do is now just come over here and click submit application. Success. We have received your application. Okay. So you're going to get a message from them on July 10th. So from July 10th, you have to start keeping an eye in your inbox, okay? And if you have already started learning right away, you can edit the course to preview the course material for free, okay? But I usually like to wait until I get the approval from them, then I can start counting from that day hence on. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you guys. Take care, guys. Bye.